dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn French with Professor Javed. This is the time for you to make up your mind for learning French, for learning Urdu, Hindi in English with me. I can definitely help you to start learning English, French, Hindi, Urdu while enjoying yourself with me. So if you are interested in learning Urdu in English, I can definitely help you. If you are interested in learning French into English, I can help you. Or if you're interested learning English with me while enjoying yourself, I can definitely help you. It will definitely distinguish yourself from other people. You will get the comparative advantage. You will get whatever you want. This is the time to get the key advantage of your success by joining me in order to learn French, Urdu, Hindi in English with me for free of cost. You can take my classes on WhatsApp. You can join me on my Facebook. You have to just subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to share and like it, and you have to share this channel to your friends so that they can also join me for learning these languages for free of cost in English. Take care of yourself. Have a